Hey, this is René, and after a month of live streaming every single day, showing how my automated trading strategies work, this is the day where I finally withdraw 50,000 euro of live trading profit. This is done in an actual live account. Everything is 100% transparent here on YouTube, and you will see the actual proof of the withdrawal in this video. When I started this project a little over 1 year ago, I only deposited a fraction of the money that is now in the account. Out of the money that is in this account currently, 20,000 euro are coming out of my own pocket. The rest is profit. This is not to generate hype or anything. Actually, my trading is and was as boring as it can be. I only used 3 simple trading strategies that were traded fully automated with my expert advisors. We do have the range breakout expert advisor, the go long trading expert advisor, and the turnaround Tuesday trading expert advisor. These 3 simple strategies generated all of the profits. And this is not cherry picking or anything by any means. Everything was transparent on the channel all of the time. For the last month, I live streamed every single trade. So we saw the good days and the bad days. I still remember, for example, when Trump started the tariff war, the account was in a very bad spot, obviously. And this is why it makes me even more happy that today I can show you 100% transparent the 50,000 euro withdrawal of actual live trading profits. But before we have a look at the actual payout, let me talk about how I managed to achieve these profits. So as I said, I use rule-based, simple strategies. Strategies that are executed automatically by automated trading programs or expert advisors in the MetaTrader 5. There are 3 strategies. The range breakout strategy is a strategy where every morning, with slightly different time ranges in different markets, I pick the highest and the lowest point in a time period, and then I just trade the breakout from these ranges. That's it. There is no crazy advanced trade management. There is usually a stop loss either at the other side of the range, or it's a percentage of the position open price, and then there is no take profits. Trades will be closed at the end of the day. And believe me or not, this is actually the most complex strategy in this account, because the second strategy, the go long strategy, it is so simple it will make you laugh. Every morning in the big major indices, stock market indices, US 30, US Tech, and also the German index, the German 40, I open a trade. In the morning I open this trade. It is always a long trade. This is why the strategy is go long, and then in the evening, close before midnight, the trade is closed. That's it. There is no take profit, there's no stop loss. And it is really this simple. The idea behind this is that economies theoretically should grow over time. And this is what we saw in the last 20 or 50 years even, or even 100 years. And of course, this can change in the future, but just looking back for like 100 years, and this is a pretty solid foundation, I would say. For me, this was enough to say that this is a good foundation for a strategy like this, where I just calculate that prices will go up in the long run. Also, we do have some positive side effects by closing the position overnight, because sometimes if there are negative news events or just a weekend in between, the markets do have a downwards gap, and this is usually, or the gaps downwards are usually bigger than the gaps upwards. So this is a little factor that adds a little spice to the strategy and makes it really profitable, or has made it really profitable in the last year. And the third strategy is the turnaround Tuesday strategy. It's kind of similar to the go long strategy. We also only go long, but with some additions. We only open the positions Monday morning and close Tuesday evening. This is why it's called Turnaround Tuesday. Plus, we open the position if the price is below a moving average. This is what I also trade in the 3 major stock market indices that I named before. And if you want to learn more detailed information about all of these strategies, you will find separate videos for all of them on my channel, where I explain exactly what I do or what I did in the last year to achieve this profit. As I said, there's no magic involved. Everything is really as simple as possible. And for me, this is the one factor that made me this profitable. Strategies do not have to be over complex. Actually, for me, the easier strategies work better. But now let's have a look at the actual payout so you can see that I am not talking and I'm actually speaking facts. So here you can see in my actual IC Trading membership area, this is like updating, everything's updating, so you can see this is an actual website and not something I just set up. So you can see here is my live trading account. It's actually the same live account number that I show in my stream every single day, so you can be absolutely sure that I'm not fooling you. This is 100% transparent and 100% true. You can see here this is a real account. You can see even my account number. I do not hide this, and you can see the server that I am trading on. What I want to do now is I want to go to withdraw in my IC Trading membership area, and I want to withdraw from this very account that currently holds 72,000 euro. So what I want to do is I want to do a SEPA bank transfer to my bank account. This is the bank account of my company, and what I want to do here is I want to withdraw 50,000 euro of live trading profits. So all I have to do is fact check everything here, SEPA transfer from this account to my bank account, and now I can click on submit, and this is it. I click on OK, and now we should see that the withdrawal here is waiting for verification, and then the money will be sent to my bank account. I just have to verify this in my emails. This is what I do quickly now, and then we should see that it is getting processed. So here we can see the email from IC Trading. This is the withdrawal request, and I can now click on confirm withdrawal. So I will do this here in real time, so you know everything I show here is 100% transparent, and yeah, it's just the real thing. So I now have to wait until we see this screen again, and now we should find that my 50,000 euro live trading payout is getting processed, and I expect the money in my bank account, or actually the bank account of my company, in the next, I don't know, 1 to 3 days, I think. So this is basically yeah, the biggest payout that I have ever had from live trading profits. So some last words at the end of the video. This is not about flexing. This is to show what is possible with real consistent trading, with actual strategies. If you do not over leverage, if you do not go crazy and just gamble. This was a over 1 year process where I traded the same simple strategies every single day. And it is possible if you use automated trading strategies, and if you have strategies that should be profitable in the long run, then you can achieve profits like this. But I mean, this is a huge profit. And actually, when I started this project about a year ago, I did not expect it to go this way. And also, I do not expect it to go this way in the future. There will be drawdown periods, definitely. And there were drawdown periods already in the past. But still, with my concepts, with my consistency, and the way that I trade this with automated trading strategies, I am very confident at this point that I can also trade profitably in the future. I can never guarantee this for the next week or the next month. But I think the chances that if I just go on like I did it until this point for the next 5 years, the chances that I will have more money in my bank account or in my trading account than I have now, the chances are very high. And this is what we should always aim for as traders. We should not gamble. We should not try to become rich quickly overnight. These are the things that usually do not lead to long-term success. But if we take a more conservative, realistic approach, if we do the backtest, if we do the analysis, and then trade simple strategies that are profitable in the long run, if we only do this, then we have a very good chance to make money, a lot of money, with trading. So I hope this little insight was helpful for you. If you want to follow my journey more, as I said, I share everything 100% transparent on this channel. If I lose in the future, you will see it here. So if you appreciate this transparency and if it is interesting to you, make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel to watch the other videos that I will upload in the future, and also leave a comment if you have any questions, if you want to say anything about this live trading project specifically or about my trading approach in general. This is it. I'm out and I will hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, have a great time and good trades. Bye bye.